My question is, what advice would Hazur give to the younger generations on choosing a career path that aligns with both personal passion and the service of humanity?
If you don't have any personal passion for any career, then you cannot, or you can perform better. So it is better to choose your career according to your own desire and your passion, right? And if you are a lawyer, you can serve humanity, you can serve the Jamaat in a better way. If you are a doctor, you can serve humanity. If you are a teacher, you are serving humanity. If you are an engineer, the same. So different professions have different values, right? And all of them are very important. So if you not think that if you choose this career, we shall not be useful for the Jamaat. It is your personal ambition which makes you to serve the Jamaat. Whichever career you have chosen or you are working in, it is up to you. But the first thing you should see that your personal interest. And whenever you are choosing your career according to your personal interest, you should prefer one thing, that it should not take you away from the basic teachings of Islam, right? And it should not hinder you from offering your daily prayers. And it should not stop you to serve humanity. If you consider all these things, then every career is good.